Now I am in Guangzhou railway station, South railway station. This is Guangzhou South railway station. I'm going back to Chengdu. So this is I come from subway, also like this, going to Guangzhou South entrance. They are in the same, just you are exit from the subway network. Inside the same building, you go to high-speed train station. High-speed train station in each city, it has like 4 or 5 stations. Like in the south of the city, north, east, west of the city. Some they have in the center, like here in Guangzhou also. You can take from Guangzhou railway station in the center of Guangzhou, near to downtown. So now I will take the high-speed train from the Guangzhou South railway station going to Chengdu. They make it in the terminals of the city, each side, to make the congestion and traffic congestion less, because the trains, high-speed trains, they have much people they traveling. Like now you can see in the camera, many people they are going back for winter holiday and Chinese New Year after 2 or 3 days. Already they have weekend, so there is no work next week. So just they are here. Self-service identity verification. Railway entrance. Can go here to enter the station.